This is what is happening at the Botswana border. Truck drivers now are getting stranded at the Botswana border. They're not allowing them to cross into Botswana. When they get tested, they tell them to come back after 4 to 5 days. Some of these trucks are carrying perishable food, like fruits. Botswana, October. I was talking to one of the truck drivers. He said, now we have 4 days out of Botswana border. Please, all of these trucks. This is Botswana border. Can you imagine Monachigaraba border for 5 days? And my was able to taste one, but pinda to taste one. So which means Monapa go pamwets agorwa 2 loads. Was a pinda no taste one. And 72 hours to have to taste so 55 days per border. Look at the Tarama truck says Sagazana border. All of these trucks no get to go let out on the Zimbabwe inside. The truck says this is what is happening with Botswana. Botswana, they don't like Awasafuni. I want to Awashadi one Kamau. Yeah. Tight, Tight.